If you need to make a flowchart in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to build a clean flowchart using SmartArt so you can map out processes, steps, and ideas without needing any extra software. This is perfect for students, office work, reports, presentations, and anyone who wants to make their document look more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document or the file you want to work in. Once Word is open, look at the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the tools for adding visuals, shapes, charts, and objects into your document. From the Insert tab, click SmartArt. SmartArt is one of the easiest ways to create a flowchart in Word because it gives you pre-made layouts that you can quickly customize. When the SmartArt window opens, you'll see different categories of diagram styles. For a flowchart, choose a layout that matches the type of process you want to show. Some layouts are better for step-by-step sequences, while others are better for decision-making or branching ideas. Take a moment to select the layout that best fits your workflow, then click OK to insert it into your document. After the SmartArt graphic appears on your page, you can start adding your own information. Click inside the text placeholders that say text and type your steps one by one. As you enter your content, Word will automatically fill the shapes in the flowchart. This makes it very easy to turn plain text into a visual process diagram. If you need more steps, you can add additional shapes. If you have too many, you can remove shapes you don't need. This gives you full control over how detailed your flowchart is. You can also use the SmartArt Design tab to change colors, styles, and the overall look of the diagram so it matches the rest of your document. If you want to make the chart easier to read, keep each step short and clear. Use simple wording and make sure the flow of the chart is easy to follow from beginning to end. You can also resize the SmartArt graphic by dragging the corners if you need more space on the page. Once your flowchart is complete, review it carefully to make sure everything is in the right order and the steps make sense. You can always go back and edit the text, change the layout, or switch the style until it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've made a flowchart in Microsoft Word using SmartArt. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.